Okay viewers, today I'm going to present a question and answer program for chapter 2 for Introduction to Management course. Okay, let us start. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. The first question: who is considered the father of scientific management? A. Henry Fayol. B. Max Weber. C. Frederick Taylor. D. Elton Mayo. The answer for this question is C. Frederick Taylor. Question number 2. Which management theorist introduced the concept of the Gantt chart? A. Frank Gilbert. B. Henry Gantt. C. Max Weber. D. Chester Barnard. So the answer for this question is B. Henry Gantt. Question number 3. What is the primary focus of human relations movement? A. Maximizing workers' efficiency. B. Studying worker productivity under different life conditions. C. Understanding the social and psychological aspect of work. D. Implementing rigid hierarchical structure. The answer for this question is C. Understanding the social and psychological aspect of worker. Question number 4. Which of the following best describe Henry Fayol's principles of unity of command? A. Employees should receive orders from multiple supervisors. B. Employees should receive orders from only one supervisor. C. Work should be divided based on specialization. D. Managers should be appointed based on technical skills. The answer for question number 4 is B. Employees should receive orders from only one supervisor. Question number 5. A company is trying to increase productivity by implementing profit sharing for employees. Which theorist's idea align with this strategy? A. Frederick Taylor. B. Charles Babbage. C. Henry Fayol. D. Max Weber. The answer for question number 5 is B. Charles Babbage. Question number 6. A manufacturing firm wanted to determine the most efficient way to assemble products. Which management approach should they use? A. Human relations approach. B. Bureaucratic management. C. Scientific management. D. System approach. The answer for this question is C. Scientific management. Question number 7. How does bureaucratic management differ from classic administrative management? A. Bureaucratic management emphasizes hierarchy and formal rule, while administrative management focuses on managerial functions. B. Bureaucratic management supports workers' autonomy, while administrative management promotes strict supervision. C. Administrative management ignores organizational efficiency, while bureaucratic management improves efficiency. D. There is difference between the two. There is no difference between the two. The answer for question number 7 is A. Bureaucratic management emphasizes hierarchy and formal role, while administrative management focuses on managerial functions. Question number 8. What is a key difference between scientific management and human relations management? A. Scientific management focuses on financial incentives, while human relations emphasizes employee well-being. B. Scientific management considers emotions, while human relations ignore worker motivation. C. Human relations promotes standardization of work, while scientific management do not. D. Scientific management discourages specialization, while human relations support it. The answer for this question is A. Scientific management focuses on financial incentives, while human relations emphasizes employees' well-being. Question number 9. If a company is experiencing high employee turnover due to dissatisfaction, which management theory should they focus on improving? A. Classical management theory. B. Human relations approach. C. Scientific management theory. D. Quantitative management. The answer for question number 9 is B. Human relations approach. Question number 10. A multinational corporation is considering a new management style but is unsure which method will be most effective. Which management approach would help them make a situation-specific decision? A. System theory. B. Bureaucratic management. C. Contingency theory. D. Classical theory. Question number 10. The answer for question number 10 C. Contingency theory. Contingency theory. Question number 11. If you were to design a new management system combining a scientific management and human relations principles, which elements would you integrate? A. Strict time motion studies with no concern for employees' motivation. B. Worker incentives and a focus on improving social relationships. C. Rigid hierarchical structure without flexibility. D. Decentralized decision making with minimal efficiency standards. The answer for question number 11 is B. Workers' incentives and focus on improving social relationships. Question number 12. A company is developing a new organizational structure that encourages innovation while maintaining efficiency. Which two management theories should they combine? A. Bureaucratic management and human relation theory. B. Scientific management and system theory. C. Contingency theory and bureaucratic management. D. Decision theory and administrative management. The answer for question number 12 is A. Bureaucratic management and human relations theory. Question number 13. Which of the following principles is not part of Fayol's 14 principles of management? A. Stability of tenures. B. Motivation through financial incentives. C. Scholar chain. D. Unity of command. The answer for question number 13 is B. Motivation through financial incentives. Question number 14. What was the key finding of Hawthorne's studies? A. Physical working conditions directly influence productivity. B. Workers are primarily motivated by financial incentives. C. Social factors and employee recognition significantly impact productivity. D. Strict supervision leads to higher efficiency. The answer for question number 14 is C. Social factors and employees recognition significantly impact productivity. Question number 15. What is the main goal of system approach to management? A. Establishing a strict hierarchy. B. Viewing an organization as an interrelated whole. C. Increasing worker discipline. D. Approving mathematical model to management. The answer for question number 15 is viewing an organization as an interrelated whole. Question number 16. Which management theory is associated with the concept of turbulence in motion study? A. Frank Gilbert. B. Henry Fayol. C. Frederick Taylor. D. Elton Mayo. Okay, the answer for this question is Frank Gilbert. Question number 17. According to Max Weber, what is the key characteristics of bureaucracy? A. Personal relationships determine the job positions. B. Decentralized decision making. C. Clearly defined hierarchy and rules. D. No formal authority structure. The answer for question number 17 is C. Clearly defined hierarchies and rules. Hierarchy and rules. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a characteristic of contingency approach? A. One best way of management for all situations. B. Adaptability to different organizational environment. C. Decision making depending on situational variable. D. No universal principles of management. The answer for question number 18 is A. One best way of managing for all situations. Question number 19. A manager wanted to improve efficiency by organizing tasks systematically, assign responsibility, and ensuring effective communication. Which management theory align with this goal? A. Scientific management. B. Administrative management. C. Human relation approach. D. Decision theory. The answer for this question is B. Administrative management. Question number 20. What is a limitation of classical management theory? A. They do not emphasize efficiency. B. They do not focus on individual workers' needs. C. They encourage flexible organizational structures. D. They disregard hierarchy. The answer for question number 20 is B. They do not focus on individual workers' needs. Okay, this is all about chapter 2. Thank you, viewers.